Yeah. Here's another one. And another one. Yeah. Little Kim, the Queen Bee. It's late night, what? It must be Angie on the mic. The butter pea, honey, got the sugar, got the spice. Roll the L side, keep the rhymes right. Yo, I just made this mother up last night. And I'm the rookie on this all-star team. Me and Kim is getting cream. Like Thelma and Louise, but on chrome. Never leave that Brooklyn alone. So if you say it's on, then it's on. Bang it in your whip.
We're here with DJ Sue. We're back with the Touch More. Happy Saturday.
We made it, guys.
We made it another week.
Another week.
In quarantine. Oh dear.
So we switched it up today. This is actually tequila. El Diablo is what they call it, every ginger beer. So shout out to them again. As you guys know, we're doing playlists, and I posted on my Instagram. But now you can go. We have our very own Spotify account, Touch More, and it's going to have all the playlists.
When you have the #1 rated show, according to Nobody, on Instagram, you get your own Spotify playlist.
That's how it works.
That's kind of how it works.
So it was given to us by Megan's sister to do a ladies' night.
Yeah. Shout out Crazy Jenny. What's up in the house?
So it's all women tonight on the playlist. And somehow I managed to get, I don't know, where is it? 11 hours of music on here? So, you know, just hit shuffle. Always hit shuffle unless I tell you otherwise.
She goes hard. She goes hard. She's been doing this all week.
What? It took me like 5 minutes.
That's true. I know. Actually, you do it very quickly.
Just do it very quickly.
You do it right. Okay. Too much.
You're already in the vibe, huh? What happened? You just,
I don't know.
anyway.
Feeling good this week.
So, it was brought to our attention that some people on here might not know why it's called a touch more. Our lighting's a little off, but yeah, there's our sign. Would you like to do the honors, or should I, since it's from my perspective?
We'll do a double take on this, but
Okay.
I engaged in a classic error that
You're already setting it up for success here. It's supposed to be a failure story.
I think you should probably tell it.
So, early in the quarantine, and we've been quarantined now, I don't know what our official
Over
count
30
is.
days.
Yeah,
It's
definitely
been
over 30 days.
since 30 days ago.
Whatever, yeah, 30
I don't
days.
know.
It's like 31 days.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was early in the quarantine, but obviously we're all kind of struggling with the same stuff, which is like eating a lot different, maybe drinking a lot different, not being able to work out as much. So it was like a week or two in, and I was about to take a shower, so I had my clothes off, and I was like, hey, Megan, do I look different? And she said,
I said, you know, maybe there's just a touch more. Because
I'm sorry.
I was thinking that, you know, I actually don't know what I was thinking, because that's
No,
the
you're being
wrong
honest.
answer 100% of the time.
You're being
I
honest.
think I felt
Which is
like I
fine.
had a touch more.
it motivated me. Didn't drink this week.
Anyways, it was
Except for
a classic error. One I won't make again. I messed up.
Yes, you will. It's okay.
Anyways, it got us.
I needed to hear the truth.
It got us to a show.
It did. It got us a show title.
Yeah, it got
So
us
for
the
those that
#1
didn't
rated
know.
show on Instagram. According to
Just
Nobody.
speak it into.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, it was a classic error, and it's my fault, and it was really stupid, and I can't believe I let myself do that. That was dumb. So that's a touch more. But also, I feel like in these quarantine times, it's quite suitable. So it's just kind of like, you know what? You might have a touch more, and that's fine.
That's fine.
And you know what? You might be having a touch more snacks. You might be having a touch more.
That doesn't look like a touch.
That's, you might be having
You
a
guys even
whole
notice that
touch
we drink
more.
in like these humongous wine glasses. They look humongous.
Goblets.
They're like normal. But
Yeah, they are pretty normal.
That's all we have in this
It's
house.
all we have. This is like, yeah. I mean, the water goes in here. Orange juice goes in here. These giant goblets go in here. We're limited. We're limited. It's fine.
I'm gonna shuffle on this one. I don't think it's shuffling.
Oh, hips don't lie. Okay.
Yeah, not that I didn't
All right.
like Alicia Keys. I just didn't think we were on the
What are
shuffle.
our tops for the night? Our topics.
Our topics? We have a lot. I know.
Should we get in hunger?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, real quick off the bat. Sue and I have partnered with Hunger Not Impossible. I know there's a lot of charities going on right now. That's so amazing. This one specifically is going to address childhood hunger and family hunger. So basically, Hunger Not Impossible partners with like local boys and girls clubs, local clubs or groups in cities. And then through a text message, so they already have their contacts, through a text message, the kids can order healthy choices from restaurants. So you're feeding children, you're making it really easy, you're keeping the social distance because the food is delivered, and you're keeping restaurants going as well. It's been really awesome so far. We launched earlier this week. We already have 7,165 meals donated.
That's awesome.
So basically it's like $7 a meal to donate. So if you can donate, amazing. If you can donate 1 meal, 100 meals, 5 meals, whatever it is.
Pass the link out.
Pass the link out. If you can't donate, that's totally fine too. Just share the link. We're going to have it. It's up in our bio right now, but we'll throw it up there again in the coming days and as we continue into this quarantine. But also this is something that affects a lot of kids, you know, in normal every circumstance life, just outside of the quarantine. A lot of people rely on food subsidies and have food insecurity, and we don't need any of these little cute kids going without meals. So Hunger Not Impossible, $7 per meal. We'll throw the links up, but we're pretty excited about it.
They're in the bios.
Yeah, they're in the
We're
bios. Like I said, we've donated 7,000 meals so far with all of your guys' help, so amazing.
Also,
Hunger Not Impossible.
we got the Seattle, something totally separate. If you guys want a cool t-shirt and or a sweatshirt, head over to stormbasketball.com. Those proceeds go to help feed people as well in the city of Seattle. So, just saying.
Help them out.
It's not so bad. It's kind of clean.
If you need help,
how we do
there's
it.
help. If you can give
Oh,
help,
you had a
give
clothing
it.
drop too. Re-ink.
We did.
They
We
dropped
had-
some
yeah, we
clothes.
had a clothing drop.
I mean, I feel like we're pushing stuff right
I'm
now.
biased, but I think it's amazing. I love
we don't
it.
need to push it on you.
5% of that is also going to get us PPE, which is securing PPE for health workers on the front line. So everybody, doing their part all around. It's really an exciting time for that.
It is. Oh, happy soon-to-be Easter.
Yes.
Happy Passover.
Happy Easter. Happy Passover.
Megan had her. We should drink it. Just drink.
Mhm.
Megan, as most of you know, I'm half Jewish. My dad's side of the family is Jewish, and Megan had her first. It was on Zoom, but had her first Seder.
I did. I had my first Seder.
So, did you have a good Seder?
I did.
Yeah, she had matzah for the first time.
I did. I liked that.
We came prepared.
You did like that. I liked
Eating
the
it at
matzah.
all the wrong times.
I don't know
But that's okay. She
what
doesn't
to
know the
do or when to
questions.
do
She doesn't
it.
know
I
anything.
didn't know, but
No, you were fine. You were fine.
yeah. Shout out to
Yeah.
the Bird Family Seder.
Yeah, they're not really the birds. They kind of are.
Sort of.
It's my
The
dad's cousin.
Suicide Family.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
I actually made a March Madness of Jewish people, which was I saw on Twitter. You didn't even know this, did
No,
you? Yeah,
you
somebody
shared
did
this
like
with
a
me.
bracket of Jewish people, and I pulled a tough draw in the first round. I
Who?
was a 15 seed. Adam Sandler at a 2.
Oh,
I had no chance.
tough. That's tough.
Yeah.
It's a lot of good news.
Yeah,
It's really funny.
similar to the Seattle bracket I was in, although that one I have complaints about. I was in a Seattle bracket,
That
which was
one-
so dope. The fact that I'm even in a bracket.
That and a one-time champion beat you.
Yep.
Love you, Russ. Love ya.
One in the first round at a
You're
10
amazing.
seed. Came across Russell Wilson in the second round.
Stuff, they love him.
So we were
I
on
love to see
FaceTime
that.
with my dad. And I was joking around telling
Tell
him
you
about this.
what.
Oh no, he saw it. I
If you're
forget.
ever not looking for an honest opinion, talk
Come
to
to my
her.
father.
It'd be great.
So I was like, yeah, I'm like, 3-time champ in the city of Seattle versus a 1-time champ. Low key, I kind of feel like if you took the names off, the resumes,
Thought we were gonna win.
I have a lot of respect though. Same thing, I feel the same way
Love
about
you,
Brianna
guys.
Stewart, honestly. 4-time MVP, 4-time champion, you don't win the best college basketball player, get out of here. Anyways, my dad was like, well, he's bigger than you. Thanks
You
a
know what,
lot,
Marshall?
Dad.
That's enough.
Nah, that was funny.
That's funny.
That was
that
funny.
was funny.
That
That
made
was
me
funny.
happy.
That was funny.
All right, so I think back by popular demand, people want to know what bugged us this week.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what bugged me.
So obviously we're in a quarantine. It's one of the common questions is like, what is bugging you about the other? And Megan apparently has a list, so.
Well, I have
tuned
one
in.
thing that I had a real big beef with, and it happened today, and I couldn't believe it as it was happening. I said, this cannot be real. This cannot be a real situation. Sue did the laundry. Very thankful for that. I pull all the laundry. I was supposed to fold the laundry 5 days ago. I didn't. I just got to it. It's fine. I've been sitting there. We've been pulling it out. Whatever. So I get to the whole thing. Every article of clothing is inside out. Every single one of them. Every sock, all the underwear, every shirt, every workout shirt, every pair of pants, every
Because when you
tie.
take them off,
I couldn't believe. I was like, this
I don't
can't be
get it.
real.
what's the big deal?
It's like you should, when
Does it-
you're
does it
dirty
wash
and in the
different?
moment, you should
But
take
the
it
clothes
off
are
and
now
just-
clean.
I know, but now
So
you
just-
gotta get in and do all the things and fold it.
What? I'm not giving you an extra step. I mean, I'm giving you an extra step.
You're giving me an extra step.
But I'm doing the laundry, you're the folder. That's your step. Do the laundry, and I'll do the extra step.
Turn your socks inside out, people.
I mean,
Right?
they don't clean different.
No, but it's annoying. Now I gotta stick
So,
my hand
so,
in the
so you would
sock every
rather
time.
me in a dirty sock
Because you're
stick my
already
hand
dirty.
in
You're
my
about to
dirty.
get in the shower.
Sometimes I take it off. I go in the shower.
I know.
Maybe I'm clean.
No. You took it off when you were dirty.
So you want me to put my dirty in a?
I want to put you to put your dirty hand in that dirty
But
sock.
my hand's not that dirty. I
But
don't
it's
know
like
what you're
you're already in the
but
moment.
my hand is not that dirty.
You've already.
Or
you
just
touched
do
the
it when
sock.
it's clean.
Anyways, I couldn't believe. I marched right out to the front room. I said, "You're not going to believe. Not going to believe what I just had
Well,
to
is
go
that
through."
it? Because I have a list.
Okay. Well, go ahead.
No, it's
Go.
not a list. It's not a list. I feel like we're putting on a show. We gotta chill out. Gotta chill out. Gotta chill out.
We're doing.
We're getting hyped. We're getting hyped.
Oh, we're getting hype. I know. I'm excited for the
No,
show. I love doing the show.
I know. Actually, I look forward to it. I put perfume on today. I was like, as if I'm going somewhere.
Love it. Love it. Anyways, penciled my eyebrows in. These aren't natural.
Okay, so before you chime in, I'm just gonna lay the two out there this week. So this one is like all the time, all the time, all the time.
Okay.
Megan drinks all the water. And like we like sparkling water, so we buy Pellegrinos, that kind of thing. So it's like a bottle that we had to go buy, and obviously going to the grocery store is like a once every 1 or 2 week thing right now.
Yeah.
She
It's
smashes
tight.
all the sparkling water in like the first couple of days. And I'm always like, Megan, empty bottle, left
I mean,
everywhere.
We're
Megan.
sharing it, but it's just an equal share.
So that's actually not sharing, and it's
Yeah.
always been that way. That was actually one of our early fights in the apartment.
That wasn't.
Because she would finish a bottle, this isn't sparkling, it was like a regular, and throw it. And there were just bottles everywhere.
I know. I just,
Anyways, the second thing,
Oh.
yeah,
I don't even know. if I
last
know that.
week after this very show, we were tipsy, having a good time, turn on the IG live for T-Pain and Little John. I had the best time. I was pretty much jamming by
It
myself.
was fun.
Every 5 seconds. Can you turn that down?
Honestly,
no, I can't.
I don't know if I
T-Pain and
have
Little John
incredible
having
hearing.
a battle.
I don't know
No,
if I have
you should-
amazing hearing or you can't hear it all.
Yes,
you
actually, I'm not sure.
listen to your IG
No,
stories
I need to-
so loud.
I gotta feel. That was different.
cannot
First of all,
believe
that was connected to the speaker. The speaker was on the other side of the room, and I was having a house party
That's true. That's
by
true.
myself.
It was good. It was really good.
It wasn't allowed.
We were one of many, many followers.
It wasn't allowed. It wasn't allowed. Anyways,
I'm gonna move past
before we
this.
go on,
Okay.
not before we go on, but before we move on with the show, real quick, for all y'all tuning in, WNBA draft is basically in a week. It's next Friday, okay, on ESPN from 7 to 9. We got some big names coming out this year. Obviously, there's not a lot of live activities happening, so the WNBA draft is something you guys can check out. I will be on the call, if you will, just as like a player input person. I'm not going to be. It's like Ryan, Rebecca, Holly,
Can't
all
wait.
the usuals. So yeah, check it out. It's
I think everyone
it's gonna
should
be a good one.
dress up in
their favorite WNBA player's
their-
jersey.
No,
Oh.
in their wildest draft outfit, as if like you were being drafted but 20 years ago, and sit down and watch the draft and post pictures about it.
That-
And
you're-
say my
you're-
draft day.
You're reaching.
No.
You're reaching.
Okay. Anyways, I'm excited about it. It's going to be live. You, Ryan, Rebecca in studio, safe, sanitizing,
Yes. Oh no, it's gonna be like
calling
way.
it all. It's going to be awesome. I'm
way
pumped.
apart. Okay, cool. Should we talk about? Ooh, we also have a special guest. They're like on deck. You want to get them in?
Aired.
You want to get them in?
Should we get him in? Is it time?
Should I text them? In the meantime, we finished a couple shows.
Someone said nipple.
Touche. I'll tell them to get ready.
Okay. Let me see. You
I was
know,
gonna say we
know
finished
a
some
good
shows,
deal.
guys. We finished Ozark.
Oh.
Boom. We see them.
Oh yeah, we crushed Ozark. It was so
We
good.
see them.
So wild. Okay.
So we finished Ozark. Great. Highly recommend. I don't like Go Gaga the way some people do. I think it was good.
Well, yeah, I missed the first two
apparently
seasons,
I'm hitting
so
the
like,
table, so
it was
it's-
a lot. You know what I just started crushing
Oh, we
today?
finished Unorthodox.
Oh yeah, Unorthodox.
Unorthodox was good. That's the
Got
recommendation
me
for
in
the
a
week. They're ready.
research hole.
They're ready.
Okay, it's time.
You go. Yeah. And the special guest.
Oh wait, no, I gotta go back here. Do we need to cue them up with a special song
Oh,
or
yeah.
anything? I think we had a special song for them.
I know. I gotta find it.
Look, my bitches all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give cross fields. Send it for looks, so kills. I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like more than just, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world.
Money.
Hello, you guys. Let me turn that volume up. You guys. Well, so tropical. I know. Yeah, cheers. You guys. Cheers. Well, we miss you first of all.
Cheers to the queer, darling.
Cheers, queer.
I mean, you guys were requested so hard. I feel like if we brought anybody else on here, it would have been serious.
We would have had a riot.
a lot of lovers out there.
I'm glad that
We did. To the point where I was actually like, okay, calm down. We can carry this show on our own if we need to. But this is definitely making it better. How?
that wasn't me. Allie, I feel like the volume is right now. Like,
Yeah, a little bit. It's a little spotty. How are you guys doing?
Yeah.
What are you up to?
Quarantine life.
Allie, I heard you're having a really hard time adjusting.
terrible. Or really hard time.
Terrible.
Awful. I've been doing things to do for like working out. Hang on.
You're like my all the time life, like my everyday life, working out, hanging
I literally had butter cheese puffs for dinner. So it's going to yeah.
No, you're
And
sounding so
No,
good.
I feel like we might have to go back out and come back in.
Okay.
Is the internet in Florida? It's spotty.
Okay, relax.
Well, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get him back in a
She
second.
don't. She don't.
Yeah, we could barely hear him too, so I was
Yeah.
like hoping it was like
I know. I was like cheesy something puffs for dinner. Okay, we're gonna have to get them right on back in here. You know, when we FaceTimed them the other day, their stuff was spotty too. They might have.
Oh, viewers.
Oh,
Can we
she's
just
back in. She's back in.
All right, let's see if this works.
Okay. Well, I hope so. Oh, so.
You should talk about this.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. It doesn't sound good.
Really?
Mhm.
I know.
I
Oh no, you get spotty again.
Oh,
I keep hitting the tape.
Ugh.
get each other.
Right.
for-
We'll try it out. We'll try it out.
Try your phone.
Yeah.
Got it.
Switching phones.
Time.
Remember.
In the meantime, oh.
What?
What's wrong here?
We're good.
Right. We're good. Everyone can hear us?
We are good. Just smile and be pretty. Thanks, Rihanna.
Okay.
We're good.
Ray. Okay, it's great. So in the meantime, I've been watching back when
Make this quick.
before they found
Like,
out
I
that
know.
it wasn't
She
real.
explained this to me for 30 minutes.
I got really into the Tour de France. Le Tour de France. And watching all like the strategy and everything or whatever. So recently on Netflix, I got really into the Formula One, the F1 series. It was amazing. I knew nothing about it. It was like so awesome. Learned a ton. Now there's one about what's the team? I can't remember the team. The movie star team. I don't know. It's a Spanish team, and it's all about like their quest to do it. So that's a good one if you like sports stuff. there's not a ton of good sports documentaries.
I
feel
was-
like
I
sports
mean,
teams don't allow.
Perfect segue. Who's
Yeah.
excited for the Michael Jordan documentary? 1 week away. I think like a week and a day maybe.
Well, it needs to be less than that, but
I mean, it's
Oh.
pushed up.
exciting.
We have that.
Exciting.
Billions is in May.
Billions.
Shout out Billions.
Shout out Billions.
We're waiting for them to come back in. Once we got them, we'll bring them back. Until
bring 'em
then,
back in.
should we do
what else we got?
some update on the niece cuteness?
Yeah.
Guys, so
Although they did offer us 0 cookies today, but then your sister Jen
she made it happen.
begrudgingly gave us 4.
So
kids with
real
us.
fast, we FaceTime my nieces like every day, even though they're only a couple blocks away. And
Too good.
the youngest one, she's like a maestro on this thing now. She knows everything about the iPad. But at some point,
she got her own iPad now.
she figured out, like, not figured out, but she knows how to flip it. So she flips the camera to like punish me. It's kind of like boop, flip, and then is like, ha ha ha, and so you can't see me, right? And then out of nowhere one day, she started like putting her hand in front of the camera. So she would flip, and then like you could just tell that her face on the other side was this, like, oh my god, I can see my hand. This is mind blowing. And then the series,
It's a series of
it's
punishment.
a series of amazing
It's
punishment.
an abstract art
Yep.
called punishment.
Just checking out. This is a different day. Just checking out her own hand
Seeing what's
when
going
she's
on.
punishing me.
It's too good.
And then
she does it
Eventually,
10 times a face.
she found her foot, and then it was some foot action, and then that was it.
And that was
Almost
it.
showed you a meme,
Oh no.
and then that was it. So yeah, there's your niece cuteness. I think they're back in.
Okay, they're back in. Boom. Do we need to cue up the song again? Do we need to give them their grand
Should I give
entrance
Allie
again?
her song?
Is this better? This is Allie's phone. It's probably your connection.
What have you guys been up to?
Yeah, tell us about
What's
your
going on? How is dog?
This is you guys. What do we do?
I think talking.
Every time Allie's down.
Oh, we can actually hear them this time.
We have to go break up.
We're gonna have to drop you.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Well, now you can hear us.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's bad. Man, my ears are bleeding.
Gotta drop
IG Live is homophobic.
It's true.
Move your phone. Oh, my phone's not in here.
Like from the bottom?
No, I don't think
Like that?
They can hear us fine. I don't think it's that.
I know.
I think they're
Remove you. Just had to.
well, that was disappointing.
That was we're gonna have to work on
We'll have
the
to work on that.
the technicalities of all of this because we're really looking forward to that, and I know everybody else was too.
And I feel like we've done a lot of IG lives in here.
we've done a lot,
Like
like a ton.
with-
I mean,
not
a million,
here, but like
yeah,
other stuff.
all types of things.
That's a bummer.
Dang, we had all these questions.
No, I had a lot of questions. We're gonna ask them like quarantine
Should we try
fight.
one more time?
Okay. Are they in?
Oh, they're not in. Should we just try one more time? Oh, this is devastating.
All right, we'll pick it up. When they
All
come
right,
back.
we'll pick it
We'll
up.
like hold it.
Okay,
I don't think that's it though.
we'll try. All right, next topic. What do we got?
Well, we got the horse game coming up.
Oh yeah, how are they doing that? It's
I mean, I don't know. They're probably like, it's probably like already done. So the horse game is
Okay.
between NBA and WNBA players.
Okay.
The matchups are, you can read them right there.
Trey Young versus Chauncey
Billups.
Billups. Oh, I thought you were saying. I know Chauncey
Trey
Billups,
Young
I thought you
versus
were saying
Chauncey
there's-
Billups. Then
NBA.
Tamika Catching versus Mike Conley Jr.
Jr.
Zach Levine versus Paul Pierce. Chris Paul versus Allie Quigley. I already, and I'm not even picking the woman because it's like Allie Quigley.
She's got it. You know she's been working.
I don't know if everyone knows this, but from a 3-point shootout, like contest all-star standpoint, she has the record, male or female. They never talk about it, obviously, but she has the most ever. The record's 29. And for us, I think we only get 39 points, and the guys get 40 points. Anyways, I'm looking forward to it.
I'm getting word that the audio is too hot, which usually means the volume is too high or there around too many devices. Try headphones. To them.
So yeah, we got the horse game coming up. Should we do the quick check-in? We were gonna have them check in too.
Oh, are we gonna wait?
You can wait. You can wait.
Okay,
we got
can wait.
a check-in for you.
Because I'm gonna get my feet in my check-in. They were a little.
And then we got your guys' questions, which are always next level.
Yeah, we've got
Next.
Lul's questions from everyone. I'm going through all the questions. Thanks for everybody who wrote in. The shoe.
Our audio is off.
Sorry,
We all have static. We do. All right, right now. Are we good? Can you guys hear us?
Yeah, can everyone hear us?
It's you guys. Pino, it's your phone. You want to know what it probably is? So you don't have a case. That's my light on.
Do you want to put your case in mine to help me out?
Megan is one of those like no case people. It worked last time though. So
I know. Yeah, I don't think it's it.
Megan's one of those no case people, and then when her phone is like smashed up.
Okay, our volume didn't.
No, we're fine.
All right.
Our volume's good.
Okay.
Allie, static. Are they back in?
Static. Let's see. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da.
We gotta go.
Well,
Static. Well, it's just us.
you guys are stuck. Guys.
Listen,
Miss you guys.
fourth show in. Fourth?
Yeah,
One glitch. I'll take it.
we're good.
I'll take it.
We're good. What else do we got on the docks here? Yeah, I'm taking Allie. I'm taking Quigs to
Oh, I was like, Allie.
Quigs to win it all. Done.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Done.
Should we just do the check-in? Better. The static stop sounds better. It's the fact that you don't have a case.
I didn't have it on the other one either.
I know, but
All
I
right,
think you were
Allie,
on
try
the
to get
iPad
back
like
in.
this. Unbelievable.
Wasn't I
No, it wasn't on this.
for the first one?
The fact that you don't have a case, like, I don't understand it.
I know if you can see the back of my phone too, it is.
Day two. She bought a new phone. Day two.
Spiderweb.
Day two.
Day 2 broke the whole back. It's
Alright. Now my phone's in jeopardy over here. Look at me. Now I'm
No.
showing.
Let me see if I can get her back in here. I'll just try to get back in. I gotta find the thing.
It makes sense because their audio was like coming out and it was all on that thing.
Yeah, I don't know. But I've been doing lives, just fine like this. Where's the thing where people can get in? Oh, yeah, playlist.
Who sings this?
I have no idea. I never know the names, babe. Oh, there we go. I never know the names. Are they getting back in or no?
We're here with headphones.
We're here. All right. Okay, you got a request.
You gotta go down.
No, it goes to the top. You gotta get up.
Why does it go to the top?
I don't know.
It's because they're like friends with us.
Maybe.
Well, this is fun.
Oh, sorry, guys. Damn it. I don't know what's going on. They gotta get back in there. I didn't see any requests from you guys. This was doing it to me the other day too.
Really?
Yeah,
couldn't do it?
that I couldn't.
I mean, is there anything worse? Oh, you can click on them. Is there anything worse than this right now?
Can you try it?
Me?
I don't know what's going on.
You know what though? A lot of the people on here, they know.
I know.
We're gonna lie.
I know. I mean, I don't know how to do this.
Anyways.
Oh no.
You just flip.
See what I mean? Like you can't push on
Yeah.
that.
You keep flipping it. Oh well. This just means we'll have to bring them back
Yeah.
next week. Yeah, I don't know why I can't. Actually, I'll tell them to I think if you click on their comment, it works.
Okay, I gotta find it.
We just sent a request. Oh, right there. Go live. Yes. Is this it? This is it.
Are we up
All right,
and
guys.
running?
Is this good?
You guys, are we
Yeah.
I
up
can
and
hear you
running?
great.
Oh my gosh.
Thank goodness.
And now I have like a goose earpiece, so you there? You good?
Is that an old Bluetooth
Should I
Jawbone?
bust out and Mariah Carey?
I don't know why I gave her the left one.
Oh, did you say Jawbone? That's taking it way back.
Let's take it way back. Did you have Jawbone?
No, I didn't know.
I didn't have
I had the
Jawbone.
jam box. Is that in the Jawbone family? Maybe.
It is. It's not it. Okay.
You guys.
Wow,
You guys.
these rude.
What you been doing?
Yeah, I can't even take this.
I was
Dee.
You're looking at
telling
her.
you, I just had a peanut butter and jelly with cheese puffs in a goddamn pandemic.
It's a rock bottom here.
You
And I'm
guys,
sounds about
slurping
right.
down
Are you
with the red
okay?
wine. Well, no, I'm not.
well, you know what? I'm not.
But you know
Sounds
what?
about right.
I know vacation is over because of
Look
China.
at her outfit.
Bitch, I brought vacation to
Vacation might have got canceled, but not on me.
over.
No.
We're gonna be working
We wanted
straight
to
through that
do
vacation.
the famous Suber check-in. We were just gonna see what's
on your feet?
you guys are rocking. at the moment.
Well,
So if you want us to go first,
Yeah.
you go first. Oh,
Really?
quick little slide. Oh, just a Louis slide. Okay.
No biggie.
Hello.
I'm gonna have to put the light on for this.
What do we got? Oh, yep. I know the
Is
one.
Is the left on the left?
I know the one.
yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's my
Oh,
girl.
I'm a mix-up.
She's a mix-up.
I'm like, I
I
put the
can't.
wrong ones together.
I can't.
Mm-mm.
Should we,
Can't.
should we
Should
take
I-
it down? Or you want to show it off? Should we take
Check
it down?
in.
We're gonna take it down.
So this is how she rolls in the
Oh, I'm
apartment.
Oh my
sorry.
god, these are so cute.
Just some, some Katie's.
Sue told me they were exclusive, so I said, "Yep, I'll have those."
Well, I love the
Well, there's
color.
7
Right?
sizes
Matches
of
her
it.
beanie.
Just in case I need to, make a little tighter, looser, depending on my activities.
Yeah, I feel the same
Oh,
way
you're
about
going
mine.
to go play some
Yeah,
b-ball
So
after
guys,
this?
I know like Nike hooks you guys up and everything, but I don't think anybody has these.
They're pretty tight.
It's like I wanted to say I don't
They're
think
not
anybody
that
has them, and then I'm
It's
like I'm
soft.
pretty sure everybody has them.
Just was on the Peloton.
Oh!
I'm
You see
Maybe
that?
you're sending a free
I can
treadmill for
adjust.
this.
I can adjust.
Oh,
Boom!
stop.
boom!
Stop.
She is clipped.
Ew.
And
I'm done.
I'm dead.
Flipped in, ready to go.
Listen, we're ready. We're locked and loaded.
That's
So
the
we'll be
check-in.
waiting for our shoes. in
Did
the
you
lane.
actually just ride?
No. Yesterday.
That would have been better.
Yesterday.
Wait,
we
you
were-
guys don't have shoes?
We have shoes.
What? We have shoes?
Oh, I thought you
yeah.
said
Slip
away from
right
my
in
shoes.
there.
I thought you were trying to ride that.
You're
so
back
with
on
no shoes,
that
you just-
pedal?
You got to get the up too. You got to push down and pull up.
Thank you.
You got a what?
Thank you, Allie.
You got to push
Allie
down
love.
and pull up. Yep.
That's where the PowerPoints
It's
are,
a
guys.
front, down, back.
In the
up
back.
kind of
it's in
situation.
The beer.
It's in the back. Yeah. Okay. It's in the way back.
Biak.
Shout out Miss Klatsky.
I hope she's on here right now.
Mike
That
and
would be
Marie.
That'd be epic.
I think
Oh
I'm
my
pretty
gosh.
sure Marie is.
Yeah,
Oh,
Marie's
I saw
on.
her in there.
Mam-
Marie's in the
Mamrers
house.
for sure is on.
Oh, shout out Mammer.
I was
Cheers,
telling her.
Mammers.
Should we show all her pictures of how excited she was
Oh
today?
my gosh.
So my
I
mom,
was crying laughing.
yeah, she's like doing fine with quarantine, but she's also kind of like, I need to be going out and like doing my things and
Well,
like,
it doesn't look like it.
yeah. So they had a quarantine boat party with their friends today. So she's like, hey, wait, I need to say which way I need to.
So she's
yeah.
roughing it.
Oh well, you know I zoomed right in on
Look
this
She
day.
is perfect. Look at her.
I
I-
said, are you good, Mom?
I'm obsessed.
She's living her best life.
Are you? She's about to get memed. We already had a situation early on where she got memed, and
She did get memed.
She's gonna do it again.
You're my girlies. We miss you.
We miss you guys. How are you doing?
Yeah.
How are you doing for reals? Like, what are you
Fine.
up to?
Yeah.
How are you doing? What are you up to through this quarantine?
We just do a whole lot of nothing. So we just wake up.
It's actually
and-
nice to be home because we've been in soccer camp for what, 3 months? So
10 years?
give or take.
About 10 years.
So it's been actually nice to like get stuff done around the house that we need to get
I'm
done.
just doing projects.
Yeah. And
'Cause
hang
we
with the
just-
puppies. The puppies are like, wait, are y'all, you're staying? You're here?
Oh,
You're not gone all
You're gonna
day?
stay?
You're gonna,
You're not going anywhere?
do you want me to lock up? Yeah.
Oh.
So
Well,
I
unlike
don't know.
some people, we have virtual meetings almost on the regular. So
Yeah.
They're
so
really great and fun.
no need to be putting that out there that that's a thing. I don't
Sorry.
need that getting out. Okay?
Sorry.
So I'm gonna be like Seattle. I heard Pino wants virtual meetings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my internet
Yeah, I've been
connection's
doing that.
bad. I'm not gonna be able to do it.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, it seems like it's very staticky.
Zoom's getting hacked.
Yeah. Well, you guys are gonna be a
It's a
leg
risk.
up
It's
when
a
we
risk.
come back and play in the NWSL season next summer.
Well,
Yeah.
anything is better than seventh place. We better be a leg up.
Oh my God.
you have to do them because you need the help.
We need a
Fired.
stride
Okay.
up. We
Like
need
on
to
yourself.
stride up.
Okay.
That's funny.
We're gonna be great, and you better watch out. So
Okay.
Worst to
Who's
first,
better
bitch.
at Peloton?
Worst to first, bitch.
Yeah, who's
Hashtag.
better at Peloton?
Who's better at Peloton?
Ash has been on like every single day. I mean, she's probably not better than me, but she's
I
just
get
riding
so
it.
I get so hyped. What'd you just say?
Oh, nothing.
What did you
Oh.
just say? I own Peloton crew. There's
Yeah,
like
she's-
6 of us every night at 6 o'clock. We beast.
And I can't ride at the same time because we only have one bike. So I'm
Isn't
like,
that
well, I
the
guess-
worst? So
That is
we're finding the
really
same thing.
annoying.
We're kind of on the same workout schedule, and so when it's like, do this lift and then do a 30-minute Peloton, we both look at each other like, you can go if you want. And the other one's like,
I
no, you can go
know.
first. Like, no, you
Like,
can
no,
go.
No, baby, you can go.
Okay, I'm going.
Mhm.
Unless you don't want to, and then I
And then
can
you
go first.
Because the minute
Yeah.
that first person is done, you're the second person, you're like, God damn, I could be
Mm,
done right now.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Oh,
and
I
then you're
know.
just watching them,
You're
and
just
it looks
watching.
I
hard.
know, and you're just like, Ash has been nice though. She's let me go twice.
By 6 o'clock, you have a drink
At
in your
least
hand.
just throw 6 o'clock, the
Well, you
line's
gotta get it
coming
done
out.
early.
Well,
She got tequila pines, honey. 6 o'clock, she's out of commission. 5:03.
That's
I'm like,
hilarious.
oh,
it's
weird.
clockwork.
Weird. It's 5. So,
Oh my goodness, too good, you guys.
Yeah.
So funny.
Well, give me a shout out. First off, it's 9:37 and I'm still up there.
Well,
I
she's
know.
still
and I'm
away.
feeling vibrant in my new
So
shirt.
and she's having a drink. I'm so shocked.
it's Saturday.
Great.
Have you guys gotten in any quarantine fights or learned anything new? Everybody asks us
Yeah.
this, so I'm
We're
assuming
getting
they
a
ask
lot
you
of like, what are we fighting
like
about?
what bugs you in quarantine?
Not.
She
I
told me
mean,
yesterday that I need to be better at putting my empty water bottles away. Oh, that's tonight. And then yesterday she told me I need to do a better job of knowing the schedule.
like just being more aware.
I'm always like, when is this meeting? When is this virtual
Oh.
meeting? When is
And
this
I'm
phone
like,
meeting?
it's just a lot of responsibility on me. So I'm kind of like, one time I would really love to ask you what time we have something. That would be great.
I feel you,
Um,
Allie.
So it's
Yeah,
very
I
like
see you.
calm, and we're
I
like,
feel you.
got you. Let's do it.
I told her, I was like, I need a really cute assistant. And she said no. So here we are.
I'm like,
No.
you're looking at her, but I ain't gonna wipe your ass.
Well,
So,
this is all we have, and we're not allowed to bring anyone else in the
Go
house.
and search for a cute assistant.
I'm like, you can go chat to Logan, but
5'6" blonde top. Wait, what?
Sorry, what?
Wait, what'd
how
you say?
boring does that sound?
Not specific or anything.
Too good.
So, no, but we haven't really fought. We've tried to have like really good communication. I mean, we're basically together every day anyway.
I know. All day, every day. Yeah, we've been chilling.
Yeah.
Well, she sure did take
the
your
most
roommate away, didn't she?
She what?
She sure did take your roommate away, didn't she?
She sure did.
Drama?
Well, yeah.
Who's your roommate?
Well, I used to room with Ashton all the time.
Oh.
And now that you guys are married.
Oh.
Oh,
There it
now that
is.
we're married, I said, oh, okay.
Yeah, but I could still room with you.
I said I only would
Well,
50-50.
no, I'm fine still rooming with you, actually.
I'm fine.
I said
with it.
50-50 with Pino and Allie, and I got the whoosh eyes.
No, it's actually sometimes nice.
Get a little break.
Yeah, we need a
A
break.
little break. Mm-hmm. You guys.
Only for a little bit though.
Okay, guys.
So
What
what
are we
gonna
gonna
let
do?
you
Yeah. What?
That's it? You don't have any
That's
questions?
it.
What other questions do we have? We've been asking all these questions, okay?
I
There's
know
not
you
much
guys gotta
going
talk
on.
about
Oh,
some
we were
more
gonna ask
important
you what
things.
the best part of your wedding was. What your favorite
Oh,
part of the wedding was.
Probably Pino fanning me when I was sweating, taking pictures before the wedding.
Profusely. I was like, I gotta get this water off this bitch now.
I am like, oh my god, I'm dripping. My pictures are gonna be terrible.
And that other photog was like, basically like kind of stop. Basically, it was like stop stepping in. I said, "Oh, I'm gonna be stepping in."
Oh,
I'm
you don't know
stepping
her
in.
like I know her.
I told Courtney, I said, "You step in whenever you need to." Okay, we don't need beads of sweat in all of these wedding photos.
That was terrible.
We're gonna dab her off. You're gonna snap a pic. We're gonna dab her off.
I think
Pic.
dancing was my favorite part. I don't think I left the dance floor.
Yeah,
I
that was
just
good.
love when all the people on our side started, like, shirts started coming off, and it was like,
Mine came off so
being
quick.
ripped.
ripped. Yeah, and I was like,
I mean,
yeah,
I
it's getting
loved my
messy.
Tom Brown outfit, but my white button-down shirt was this thick.
Well, it's like
I swear to
really-
God, it had fleece on the inside.
Oh
It was so hot. I was like, I have to get this thing off. It's so hot.
It was so humid. I felt
So
so
humid.
bad.
Oh my God, it's so
I
humid.
I saw the shirt the next day. Your neck had a ring around it. I was
I'm
just like,
dead.
It
It
was
was
like
a
a
scene.
little makeup ring.
I mean, how like a bunch of people don't have snaps of my boobs just out because I took that thing off and then
Yeah.
like, Sue was trying to help, but then like I had just the little vest that I had to like,
I mean, my
get-
hair
MacGyvered
was
it.
like
I MacGyvered it
plastered.
and I was like, no one
He was
knew.
MacGyvering.
All of our hair was like just dripping and like.
But like everybody was
plastered.
in the same place, just dancing their ass
Just
off.
I was
That
like,
great.
whatever,
That's the
give me
best
another
part.
my favorite moment of that entire wedding is when we all huddled down by the water and we had a secret meeting and like
Yeah, we did.
Excluded
Get your
everyone but our
skin
crew.
back.
I was dying. It was so good.
Allie wasn't there.
I wasn't there. That's probably why she was like,
I'm like,
Well, you missed it. Oh,
She missed
and you
that
put this down on my sideburns here.
Well, you know where you
Yeah.
got those glasses from.
Well, listen, these got dug out of like some basket here.
Barney's closet or what?
And I was like, oh, are these sport and style? Okay.
love it.
I'm just
It's
going to
really
these.
for the Peloton, 100%.
Yeah, I'll probably wear these when I Peloton. Yeah,
We
just to
can-
really get into the groove.
Before we go, what was your favorite part of our wed?
Yeah,
This
we're gonna
is
flip
tough.
this and we're just gonna interview you. So here we are.
Ooh, there's so many.
I know. I can pull like a couple. Kyle's speech.
Oh,
no,
epic.
Kyle's speech
speech
was
epic.
amazing.
Him trashing your dad, like, and it going right over your dad's head is
Amazing.
the best.
We
All you
were
guys- first
dying.
of all, the venue. To be honest, like not to
Venue,
be,
of
the
course.
venue was like insane. So assuming like all of that stuff is already the fave.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kyle's speech, all you guys walking in was really good.
yeah.
Like
That was
yeah, and then you guys come in, and then I'm trying to think. I had my own little secret meeting. There was a couple of us, and then
You met with
right
them.
after the dessert tray was my favorite. So I think those are my top three.
That's top
Well, I'm
three.
glad it was
One
a
of my-
success.
One
We're
of my
still paying it
favorite
off.
moments was
Yeah.
the behind the scenes when we were all getting in the van, and your brother looks back and like people were trying to get in the van on you name names. He was like, "Wedding party only for wedding."
He was like
put the
security,
hard
best
hand.
man,
The
everything
hard
all in
hand
one.
on people.
Oh.
Wedding party only for right now.
Oh, he
I
didn't
love
give
it.
up.
Kyle
It was
is
too
the-
good.
Yeah.
He was
All
so
the
good.
behind the scenes, like doing all the pictures, was so beautiful.
Yeah.
The
The
ceremony.
venue
I mean,
was like unreal.
when Sid forgot
Yeah.
to tell everyone to sit down.
Oh my god!
My poor grandparents. My poor
I know.
grandparents.
And our friends who were
And all of
pregnant,
us were
I
like,
felt
Is
so
she
bad.
gonna tell us? Is she gonna tell us? And then we were kind of just like, I was with Rihanna and Morgan. It was
No.
kind of like, nope,
Fuck
we're
it,
just
we're
gonna
staying.
stand.
But I actually thought it was
Just
like
saying.
beautiful that way. Everybody was like,
It was.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
it was
mean,
so funny.
Yeah, and then the
I don't know.
dancing, just like dancing our faces off.
Yeah, the
and, like,
dancing was fun. The
having
music
a
was
blast
good.
with all of us there too. Like
Your
we
guys'
rarely get to have
bands.
all of our friends there together.
Yeah.
The band music situation,
Yeah.
like the band backing up the DJ, was so
Yeah.
bomb.
So fire.
Yeah,
And
you guys
shout
had
out
like, I don't
to-
think there's like a
Amazing.
wedding, and I'm not even saying that.
Yeah.
Sorry to all my other friends whose weddings I've gone to. Wasn't
And
that
shout
great.
out to Ted Yeshin.
Yeah.
Ted Yeshin planned
Teddy,
out.
Teddy.
Teddy planned out.
Teddy, get you some wings, boy.
Oh,
Get you some
he's our
wings.
boy.
That
Yeah.
was so good.
Anyway, well, it's so good to see
I
you.
know,
I
guys.
miss you guys.
Well, you guys,
So, You need to
Thanks
start
for-
planning vacation though, for real. Because I need
Oh,
something
it's gonna
to
be
look
lit.
forward
It's
to.
gonna be ridiculous.
I know how much everyone's saving during this quarantine. That's
For
going
vacation.
right into the slush fund, ladies.
Okay, because
Right into
I
the
want,
vacation. Well, we're
I want
gonna-
the island with the slide, especially with this quarantine. I don't want to be around fucking anyone, so we need to rent the whole island in the Maldives.
Right?
And I'm gonna
We need to
Cristiano
self-quarantine
Ronaldo that
ourselves
shit. Exactly.
for a month.
I don't need to see anyone or anything. Just put me on an island. I'll be
We
happy.
can't take the risk. We can't take the
So
risk.
who
So we're
else
gonna have to
out
get a whole
there?
island. It's gonna be great.
No risk here.
Okay.
Okay, gals.
All right, guys,
well,
we're gonna dance
we love
you
your
off.
show.
Yeah, we're
You
gonna dance
ready?
you off.
Oh,
We're gonna dance
yeah.
you
Wait,
off.
wait. Let me
Thank
grab
you
my
guys for
drink.
coming on.
We love you.
Y'all, I was on like this. Y'all didn't think that I was on like this. I told y'all I was on like this. Turn around and I'm making it like this. You wanna see that boy that make it jump like this? I wanna think that I can make it jump like this. I told y'all that I was on like this. Now you got to know what we
Favorite part.
Ladies, I'm a little
We finally figured it out.
Whew. I mean, now I will never make fun of people. I don't know about you. So, like in team settings, when you go on the road, any athlete will know what I'm talking about. There's always this moment where the team has to meet and watch film. So you meet like in the coach's room, or you find like
Every
a board
single
room,
time.
and they have the laptop, and then I get the plugs, and the TV, and it's like you walk in, it's all set up, and then every single time they go to hit play, doesn't work.
Doesn't work.
And then it's like a 20-minute
It's the
debacle.
cord.
You got to bring the hotel AV guy in. You're doing this,
Person,
you're doing
yeah.
that. It's a whole thing.
There's always like the young person on staff who's in charge.
Yeah.
Of like, hey,
So-
Jared, can you get over here with the
I will
cord
never
again? Yeah.
say
I know.
another word about the AV staff having to
I know.
come in.
I mean,
we pulled it off,
It
but
was a pretty big failure.
Yeah.
Um,
thank God that was
All
worth
right.
it.
what are we going to launch into? Memes of the week?
I guess, I mean, listen, we're at our 46th minute, so we're going memes and then we out, no?
Memes of the week, yeah.
Memes of the week? All right.
Memes of the week and end on your hooker story.
We didn't even,
I'm sorry, what?
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 Oh, we'll save that for next week.
Oh.
We didn't even get to anybody's questions.
Should we do rapid fire?
No,
I feel like memes
we'll
of the week
save
are
them.
good. Yeah,
Memes of the week is good.
Memes of the week are good.
All right, so for memes of the week,
Memes of the week.
we're gonna do like a shout out to the parents right now who are like homeschooling their kids.
In like week 4,
So-
1 month of
I saw this one on my cousin chat. Everyone's going hooker story. It's not about hookers. So this one is when you have to work from home, but you're also a parent. I know not a lot of work is happening. So in that case, we know what's gonna happen.
I mean, I feel like I might look like that coming out of
Honestly?
this.
You do.
I
Or there's
already
this one is good. I mean, this
Yeah.
one is good.
It's like kids are basically missing 6 months of education.
But then we got 2 MVPs. Well, actually, I missed one. Then there's this one. Marie, this one's for you.
Mine.
Your business.
Mind your business.
All right.
Safety comes first.
Then there's 2 MVPs. I mean, Mayor Lori with the
Mayor
I mean, the mic drop of the century. Anytime somebody tells me to get back in the kitchen, I'm just gonna show them this.
Fuck you.
I'm just gonna send this to their DMs. Man, stay out the park.
You
Just
just
you
shut
have
back.
those people in the park. All right. Oh, this one I didn't flip. I gotta flip this one real fast. Boom. And then this is the last one. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's your quarantine alcoholic name. Your first name, followed by your last name. You didn't see that one yet?
I haven't
That's
seen
a new
it.
one
I
to you?
love it. Megan. Yep.
I mean, I did want to play my Joe joint. I mean, you guys can stick around for a little bit, right?
Yeah, listen, nobody's going anywhere.
All right, I gotta stop the playlist. So this is just to like, there's a Tiger King coming out tomorrow, I believe. It's like extra episodes.
Can't wait.
So
Can't
in
wait.
light of that, I saw this. Camille Little sent it to me. Almost.
$3 bill, Carol Badgett murder. Didn't go to jail, claims to be a tiger expert. Now Joe Exotic's pissed off, motherfucker. You're still fat. You're still ugly. You're still spit in your face. I have nothing better to do.
Too good.
Good times.
That like legit. That got me. That was like when you write out LOL and you're actually
and you're
LOL.
in the process of LOL.
That one got me, man. That
Yeah,
one
the
got me.
memes have been fire.
They've been so good. They've been so good. I mean, people are like, we're not going anywhere.
Got
So-
10 more minutes. What color's Megan's hair now? Oh, it's a mess.
We do have 10 more minutes, huh? I know. If you guys want to fire some questions, we have some.
Yeah,
When will you get married? That's a popular one.
That is a popular one.
You know,
Back off.
a lot of people assume we're getting married, or are married,
Everyone assumes we are married. I never correct anyone.
and I correct them immediately.
I'm like, oh, she's great.
How's your wife?
That's
I'm like,
right.
excuse
She's
me,
great.
not my wife yet. Yeah.
But you want me to be like.
I mean, I almost divorced you the other day. Remember?
What did I do?
You don't remember? I was like, well, I'm not going to divorce you. Don't worry. You don't remember?
I don't remember what I did.
So when we go to work out, actually, add this to the list.
Oh,
Megan, we're on the same workout schedule, same plan, this,
Yeah.
that, the other, ba-ba-da-ba-da. Megan will either, like, not want to do it, or when we go to do it, it'll be like, run a mile. I don't know. She'll be like, a mile's not enough. We want to run 2 miles. And I'm like, I'm not running 2
I
miles.
know, it's like
And then
half
she
the
gets, like,
time
all
I
weird.
want to cut sets and the other half I'm trying to, it's ridiculous. It's just, it's irrational. I know it. I'm dragging us down. It's something actually every day. This is a good question.
Are you still friends with Lori?
Always, Lori Lightning Lindsay. It's like, I have
Megan,
found
pop the
myself
question.
being
Sue, do you know Candace Parker? Yes.
Yeah.
Not to laugh at your face,
Yeah.
please. Anyway, sorry, what were you saying?
Anyways, the good question
Okay.
should be, what are things that you've learned about yourself that annoy yourself, but you can't stop doing? And in the workouts, I'm perpetually unmotivated and I drag us down. I'm constantly trying to drag us
Perpetually.
down. And it's like, I need to be better. I need to be a better workout partner.
When's
Sorry.
Sue gonna cut Pino's hair?
I know. It's getting close. Like, these sideburns are just such a situation, and it's if we're gonna be in this another month.
You wanna do like one more question and then call it?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's funny. All right, so somebody asked, are you satisfied with Biden getting the
Hell
vote?
yeah, Biden! Woo!
Obviously,
Let's
we're
fucking
satisfied
go.
with anyone who's gonna beat Trump. But that reminded me of something that happened today that I thought was hilarious. So we're sitting on the couch. I thought it was hilarious. You guys be the judge. So we're sitting on the couch, and a good friend texts me. Shout out Ashley Colucci. And she's texting me like all these like clip outs from like 5th, 6th grade CYO basketball, like intramurals, whatever.
Give the stats.
No. But irrelevant.
No,
irrelevant.
the stats are not irrelevant.
Irrelevant.
They're
The score
amazing.
would be like 36-20, St. Edwards win, and then it would be like Sue Bird had 26 points. This is like 5th, 6th grade.
Amazing.
And so me and Ashley are chatting
And
about it,
assists.
and I'm like laughing. And I'm like, oh my God, my childhood friend just sent me like all these newspaper clippings, like actual newspaper clippings. And I'm like flipping through, and she was like, oh man, I just forgot. I just remembered. Sorry, I just remembered. I got to call Elizabeth Warren back. And I was like, what a difference. What a difference.
This is us. We're well
This is
rounded
us.
together.
I'm like, oh my childhood friend just sent me newspaper clippings. Oh, I gotta call Elizabeth Warren back. I'll be right back.
I do.
Anyways,
I'm gonna call you back on Monday.
so that was, I thought, hilarious.
Well, we do miss Elizabeth Warren, and I hope she gets a very important post in the White House or becomes the majority leader.
I
We
feel
are
like
very excited about Biden, and we will come out in
Vote,
droves. And if
vote,
I hear
vote,
one
vote.
person say, "Oh, I'm not really that inspired by blah blah blah," I don't want to fucking hear it. Get out and vote, register, do everything that you can. Shout out Biden.
So, usually we do a sign-off song. We have 6 minutes here. And Megan and I had a little bit of usually it's like what's,
Bit of a tip.
inspiring us in the moment. That's how Complicated happened. That's how, Bill Withers, we kind of knew.
Yeah.
So we're going to take a little vote if we can real fast. Megan wanted Robin Dancing on Our Own, which I'm not opposed to. I wanted SWV Week. So can you guys chime in?
All at us.
Can you say one word in French?
We.
I don't know.
Oui,
C'est quoi le problème? Je peux parler en français.
Tu problème, si tu veux. All right. No, not a dance-off. Week. We got one for
Ooh.
week. SWV.
Ooh, I knew it.
Oh,
You
Ooh,
guys.
don't slam. People got mad.
Yes, I knew it. Oh,
Oh, you know who that is.
oh. Gus Rue, you stitched me up.
We got one
Mars.
ramen. That's
Yes.
like 6
Yes, Nat.
SWVs.
Humor.
So 7 SW.
I knew it.
We'll save it. Okay, we'll save it.
I knew it. It's like SWV by a mile. People right now, they just put their drinks down.
I know.
They got this face on. Chris Bolasha, Turtle Bay.
You want to know why? She don't know the words.
Crazy, but it's there.
Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do.
You know this part.
The cause and here is you.
You know this part.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. In a day, in itself, I can't see, not a thing I want to say. Stay with me, my cry for love is so sweet. It knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why you love